Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to stop friends of friends from sending you friend requests on the Discord app for PC using the latest update. If you've been getting requests from people you don't know, and you only want to keep your friends list limited to who you choose, this quick guide will help you out. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your computer. Once the app loads, look to the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to that, there's a small gear icon. Click on that gear to open up your settings. From here, a menu will appear on the left-hand side. You'll need to scroll and find the option labeled Content and Social. Go ahead and click on it. This section has a variety of settings that control how you interact with friends, communities, and connections. Now, scroll down within this section until you find Friend Requests. This is the area where you can choose exactly who is allowed to send you a friend request on Discord. By default, you may see multiple options selected, including friends of friends. That setting is what allows people you don't directly know to find you through your mutual friends. If you'd like to tighten up your privacy, simply disable the friends of friends option. When you turn this off, only the settings you leave enabled, such as direct users through your username, will be able to send you a request. This gives you more control over your interactions and cuts down on unwanted requests from people you may not actually know. And that's it. After you disable friends of friends, your settings save automatically, so you don't need to click anything else. You can close out of settings and continue using Discord with more privacy and peace of mind. By making this quick adjustment, you keep your account secure and customize who has the ability to connect with you. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in keeping your online space comfortable.